Hi, it's Crash from Float Lab. We're down in Westwood now. I want to run you through this equipment that we use to process the solution and show you how we go about getting the rig clean between the people. That's been a big part of what we've been focused on for many years now. Our certifications and all have had to do with disinfection efficacy, which is the ability to clean the solution between uses. When the guy got out, what happened in between, and then you come in. That's been a big part of what we've been focused on. The way we do it here, because we do have a certification for what you call a 3-log kill at NSF, which is 99.9% of the microorganisms that are utilized to test the system with have to be eradicated in the cleaning cycle. And you have a primary and a secondary disinfection system. Here what we use is ozone and UV exclusively. We're not using the chemical feeder or any chlorine or bromine or peroxide or what have pH up, pH down, acids, flocculators, sudsing, anti-sudsing. None of this stuff do we use. We put nothing in there whatsoever. But our system is built very robust and it's got very powerful components. It's not a toy. It's designed for commercial usage, and it's not one of these pods or whatever, because we ran into some trouble here. We've been working with the Center for Disease Control along with other agencies for many years now, 7 years in fact, that we've been working on code language for this activity, which in September we should have the final language put into place for these facilities to be using then to have a kind of a guideline as to how these things should be operated and what's important, and verification of the equipment's ability to properly deal with the between use situation here. So I'll show you how we do it, because I'm very proud of the way we do it. It's not cheap or anything. It's like first class across the board. We've been working on this stuff for 20 years now to make it the way it is. Safe, reliable, and robust, strong. Here's an example of our how we're dealing with the air down here. We're in the basement in Westwood, so we're importing all the air in from outside. So it comes into the building on the other side with a similar system as this. Actually, it's the same system, but it's over there, and it pulls it in with some other. So there's a fan here and a plethora of filtration systems: electrical, material filters, and electrical discharge, ozone, does a UV, and then it comes out there and goes into a giant filter over here that comes back. That's charcoal, and then that comes into this room here. And where the air is coming into that from is each of these rooms here has a vent that comes out of it. All right, now with all that in mind, I'll fire this thing up and show you just how easy it is to maintain. This is the extent of what's required to keep this thing clean as a whistle. Hit a button, that's it. There's no more involved in the cleaning process. Watch it flow. Other than that, it's totally self-contained. It's all on timers and stuff. Turn itself off when it's done, and then we'll go around and look at the room and see how it looks. Hi, we're here going into Float Lab at Westwood for an appointment. Show up right on time. Come to the door here. There's some instructions how to do this. You hit the intercom button. It rings. You hear a click. Pull the door open. Come on in here. There's a sign here. Here's your control, another sign there. Hit the down button. And then here, roll on in. Here's your instructions once more. You're going to hit the B for the basement. This is down 400 feet. We're going to be there in about 10 minutes, so just stand by. And like it says here, once the doors open here, you enter into the lobby area. And I know A lot of times the first stop is the restroom, once you've been sitting around or whatever. Go around here and use the restroom. Here's the girls' room. We keep these things pristine. And there's the men's room there. These things are cleaned constantly. It's like all the surfaces in here are constantly being cleaned. And once you get a chance to use the restroom, and you can come on into the lobby here, take a seat. We've got social distancing here with the chairs. The seating has been spaced out to keep people separated. We've been actually specializing in social distancing since 1999. So you get in here, you sit down, and we give you a little bit to read here. It takes a second. Once you get through that, it'll start a video for you that's going to instruct you the process that you're getting ready to do.
Welcome to Float Lab, the world's only isolation flotation chamber systems NSF certified for commercial use. The dimensions of the chamber are 7 feet tall, 8 feet long, and 5 feet wide, and contain around 12 inches of water and over 1,000 pounds of USP-grade Epsom salts. This saline solution will allow you to float effortlessly in a sensory-free environment.
Once you get the instruction video, you'll come around here and head on into the hallway here. We have 7 rooms. There's 3 on this side here and 4 on this side here. Did you get the paintings? Yeah, the paintings are really nice. And then you sit on a chair, put your shoes under the chair, and then come on into the room here. This is the steam cleaner. It won't be in there when you're here. We just left it to show you how we clean the showers. After each use, we take the steam cleaner and we steam clean the shower, as well as cleaning the chambers the way we do inside. And this is a handy. It's got the ADA set up, and here's your instructions there. And then you got 2 hours in here, and then when you're done, you just come on out here, put your shoes back on, and exit right out here through the back. Up the stairs we go.